Click on the link below to get price. The Digital Embroidery Machine, model RBE4060-A15, is designed with the commercial user in mind, offering a range of features that cater to both beginners and experienced embroiderers. This machine boasts an impressive embroidery area of 40 by 60 centimeters, or approximately 15.7 by 23.6 inches, allowing for a variety of creative projects without the need for constant repositioning of fabric. At first glance, the RBE4060-A15 presents a robust and user-friendly interface. The onboard controls are designed to be intuitive, facilitating ease of use. An LCD screen displays pertinent information clearly, making it simple for users to navigate through different stitching options and settings. The machine supports various embroidery formats, which broadens the possibilities for creativity, accommodating a range of designs from basic to intricate patterns. One of the notable features of this machine is its high-speed operation. Capable of stitching at a rapid pace, it can significantly reduce the time needed to complete projects. This feature is particularly beneficial for those in a commercial setting, where efficiency can greatly impact productivity. It is also equipped with multiple needle positions, enabling users to create elaborate designs with precision and ease. For users who may be new to embroidery, the RBE4060-A15 includes a detailed manual that guides them through its functions. Additionally, there are online resources and community forums available, where users can seek advice and share tips. This aspect of support can be invaluable for those looking to expand their skills or troubleshoot any potential issues. The machine's construction also deserves mention, as it is built to withstand the demands of frequent use. The materials used contribute to its overall durability, ensuring that it remains a reliable tool in an embroidery workshop or home studio. Furthermore, its compact design facilitates easy storage when not in use, a practical consideration for those with limited workspace. In conclusion, the Digital Embroidery Machine, model RBE4060-A15, represents a solid investment for both commercial embroiderers and hobbyists. With its generous embroidery area, user-friendly interface, high-speed operation, and durable construction, it offers a comprehensive solution for a variety of embroidery projects. Whether you are looking to produce custom designs or engage in larger-scale embroidery work, this machine appears to meet those needs effectively, making it a noteworthy option in the market.